Hello guys, I'm working on my 2001 Jeep Cherokee. I'm replacing a rear shock absorber. Right now I'm cutting this other one bolt here. This bolt is very notorious and seized, and the nut also is very rusty. You can take this nut out. There's too much rust in there. See that? Now I'm starting to cut it off. I cut the other one already. I bought a die grinder here. I started to cut already, but I need to cut it more. Finish that with an air chisel. So you see this? There's no way to cut that flat to the frame because this one is not flat surface, so your blade cannot go through. So what I did is I cut it right from the bottom, cut it vertically. So I'm gonna finish that. I'll try the air chisel. Stubborn nut. Oh shit. Okay. Fell off already, but gonna cut through. Oh, fucking notorious. See that? Go. Fuck it. Oh, this is very common problem with this Jeep Cherokee XG or a straight Cherokee of the same year. You can't take this bolt, or you can take the nut out of this bolt. Actually, this is only a stud. You welded it through this frame here, or what you call this, cross member something, and once it's rusted it will seize up, and once you loosen the nut off, it will turn right away, and the weld is no more good there. Look at that, it's rusty. Now we're gonna take that off there. So when you cut that one off with a die grinder, you have to be careful with the spark, because this is the gas tank here is very close, so we don't want us to explode this gas tank. It's dangerous. So I'm done cutting of this left side. I'm gonna go cut to the other side too, because I'm gonna replace this both. So I'm gonna move to the right side, the right rear side the vehicle. I'm gonna cut those ones too. Here on the right side, right rear, this one's more safer because it's a little bit away from the tank. I'm gonna try. Let's see if I can take this nut out. Ah, shit. Now it's turning. See that one? See. Bolt and the nut spinning together. So there's no way to take this out. So the only way to take that bolt out, same thing as the other side, is to to cut that bolt. Fuck that bolt. That's the only way. So we're gonna start cutting that bolt. Cutting that nut there. You go like that. At least if I can have a tiny small, if you have a small blade that won't fit there. For now it won't cut very good, so we can need to like that. Maybe I need to find a place where I can put my just fill up my lights. But again, cut that nut off. Okay, just started there. I want to make sure that I don't want to cut the frame here too. Quite a low. It's a very tight place. Make sure you have to wear goggles if you're doing this job. My spark hurt my face. Right on. Cut already. Okay, now there's a little bit left there. So I need to cut it vertically. Now, what I'm gonna do, I need to take this bottom off. I need to take this bottom off the folding the shock absorber so that I can wiggle it. Because right now it's on my way. Like that. Won't fit. So I need to take this bolt. Same as the other side. I took this off so that I can swing this away here. So use my impact. Take this bolt out. Right there. There. Oh, probably. And slide this. So I'm gonna use a hammer. Cut it off. This. Make sure the equal won't drop. Right there. It's good. So it didn't drop. Put a jack stand here too. Just in case, support the vehicle. Okay. Now, swing this. The other side. Okay. Now I can need to push it more. There's no way I can put I'm holding the camera. There. Okay. I put my camera. I don't want to fall off. Now I can finish that with the chisel maybe. Right there. Now you can slide this. You can slide this. You can slide the shock out from the other nut, I think. Let's try that. Hammer. So I'm here down. I think I'm gonna blow it. I got goggles right here from the bottom. I put one bolt ready. What I did, I just fish it. I use a haywire. I tie the bolt with a haywire here, and let's see here. That's the end. So I push it there, slide that through the hole.
Okay, sorry guys, I missed to take a video on how I mount that shock absorber up to the frame, because my camera was running out of space in the time at the shop. So, but just want to show you here. I got my another camera right now. It's not hard to mount this shock absorber when you're doing it by yourself. Just push the shock absorber up to the frame, kind of pushing towards the bolt, kind of like pinching the bolt towards the frame, so that you can put the two nuts and you can screw it in. And just if you can screw it like 2 threads or 3 threads, it's good enough. And you can put your put a wrench on the top so that it will not turn, and you can screw it all the way, and you can torque it like 30 foot-pounds. I put 30 foot-pounds to that, and the bottom here I put 50 foot-pounds. So what I did there is I painted it a little bit, and then I spray some like a spray bomb, first a primer before I mounted the shock. And after I tighten the nut, it's tight already, I put the anti-rust system so that it will not get rust, and I put anti-seize in the bolt and the nut, so that if I need to take it off again, change it in change other shocks in the future, I can take it easily without seizing the bolt and the nut. So I think that's it. So I put a fluid film in there, so kind of to avoid protection for the bolt and nut seized up. Fluid film is for not to rust it out. Okay, so now here you go. You can now you have an idea to before you take this stubborn stud bolt and this Jeep Cherokee when replacing your rear shock absorber. Now I got a brand new shock. Good. It's snowing right now. Whoa! But I'm ready to go with this Jeep. That's my Jeep Cherokee. It's ready to go. Okay, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching.